No, no, no. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that. Holy cow, guys. Oh, look at that fish. Holy cow.
Walking through the door of this old and lonely place that used to feel like us. Remembering the only thing that made me feel like I was worth the love. We used to hold hands, now we dance alone. We had Springsteen playing so loud. We danced in the dark till it felt like home. With you, home was anywhere. But you will never be left behind. Give me a moment, I need just a little.
Hey guys, how you doing? If you're new here, my name is Eric, and I'm always on a fishing adventure. I just got to the reservoir. It's Friday evening, mid-July. I think it's about 7 o'clock. The temperature is amazing. It's cooling off. The sun's going down. It's cooling off. There's a little breeze, but that's not too bad. And I'm gonna come down here and try to get some crappie on the evening bite. So let's see what we can hook into. So the sun has gone completely past the mountain, and we tried fishing another cove, the whole area, and we just didn't have any luck, so we moved. We came into another cove right here, and we started on that end, and we just worked this whole area, came all the way around, and now we found the fish. They seem to be concentrated right out here. We're gonna get some fish catches on camera for you guys. Got another one? See, he's got a fish over there. Oh, the high one, the high arch. He ain't getting away. It's getting hard to see. Oh, I got one.
Really?
Yep. Got a fish on, guys. It's getting hard to see though. Crappie right here. Oh, settle. Nice black crappie. He ate that pretty good. And I am harvesting, so I will be keeping him and eating him later. There we go, guys. Nice, beautiful black crappie. So just casting it out there and letting it drop like usual. Same tactic. There it is, fish right there. That was like just almost every cast now. That sun went down and these fish have just turned on. Right on the top of the lip. That's awesome. We're getting on that night bite. We're gonna keep fishing until they stop biting, right? Of
course.
Look at that fish. There's another fish right there. Second one on camera there for you guys. But we have like, I don't know, 20 already so far. There we go, guys. Another fish. Beautiful black crappies. It's getting really dark, but we're gonna keep fishing. We're just gonna keep fishing until we can't see no more. They're biting, we're gonna keep fishing. There's another fish there, guys. But it's getting hard to see, so I'm gonna stop recording. I don't know if I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow, but if I do, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It's a beautiful, peaceful morning. Woke up and came out here and I seen a train of boats already going out. So I don't know if it's just fishermen going out early or if there's a tournament going on, but they're ready to go. I'm ready to go. We're gonna head out again, try to find some crappie. It's not very chilly out this morning. I'd say it's about 60 degrees, somewhere in there. Feels real good, but it's about to get hot. The temperature's supposed to reach 100 degrees, I believe. So I'm gonna try to get out there and get the crappie before it heats up. Not fighting at all. I think I got trash. What is this? What is this? Is it foul hooked? I don't know what's going on here, guys. Oh! Oh!
Did it come off?
Yep, that was a bass. He wasn't even fighting. What the heck? That was so weird. I've never had that ever happen before. Tell me about it. I got a big one on, guys, on the bobber rig. Oh, he's a big one. Been a couple hours out here already. I think it's a largemouth bass. What do we got? Oh, it's a big one. Oh, he's a beast. He's a beast. Holy crap. I don't want to lose him. He's big. Holy crap, he's big.
He's a big one.
No, no, no. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that. Holy cow, guys. Holy smokes. Look at that fish. Holy cow. That's definitely my PB right there. Definitely. Largemouth bass. Holy cow. Look at his tail's all beat up. Oh, look at that fish. Oh my God. That's a monster. He was not fighting hard at all. He's kind of like just lethargic. Look at the head on that thing. That is an awesome fish. On a crappie jig with a bobber. That fish, guys, while out crappie fishing, largemouth bass. That's a huge fish. I'm gonna let him go. He's just cruising the shoreline, trying to get his energy back. pull all that out, gills and everything. Catfish food right there. That looks done. That looks delicious. Over the open fire. That took quite a bit of time to cook, but that's worth it. It's going to taste great. Both sides. Got the juices coming out. One last touch. I'll put some butter on there and let it melt just over the top. Ooh, yeah. Crappie over open flame with some lemon pepper, butter, a little bit of salt. I'm gonna dig in and try this. Looks amazing. With part of the dorsal fin, some of that skin was crunchy. That was good. Try some of that tail right there. A little crunchy. Nice, delicious morsel. Some white, flaky meat, some skin and seasoning. No, this is one of those times when you just forget the fork and dig in with your fingers. Last chunk of fish right there. You can see a nice little grill mark on there. Some seasoning, moist. Absolutely beautiful out here and peaceful. Had an amazing time out here. The weather is heating up. It's about 1:15. Done with lunch. That fish was amazing. It tasted great. You guys got to come out here and do it. It's not very hard at all. So I want to thank every one of you that clicked on this video and watched. Thank you for supporting the channel. And remember,
you ain't fishing, you ain't living. Catch you on the next one.
Walking through the night, you played by my side. You were always there to heal my scars. And into the dawn, I do my best to try and find some sleep, but you still keep me up. We used to hold hands, now we're dancing alone. We had Springsteen playing so loud.